morning class. How are you all?
We are doing well, sir.
So have you completed your homework?
Yes, sir. I have completed my homework.
That's good to hear. Let me check.
But, sir, my examination is round the corner. Can you give me some instruction as to how I should prepare?
Yes, certainly I would. At first, get rid of your mobile as it is a major distraction.
Okay, sir.
And secondly, read your text thoroughly. And for you, must have all the information while you study.
Sir, I have a problem in memorizing also.
Okay, it's a common problem, don't worry. But instead of memorizing anything, try to understand it or try to read between the lines and try to concentrate on one major thing at a time until you understand it well.
Sir, a few of my friends were planning to do group study. Will it be useful?
Yeah, certainly it would be. For you must solve the old question paper to get acquainted with the format of the questions.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, let me know if you need anything else.
Sure, sir.